11, we are learning new details tonight about the suspect in last week's officer-involved shooting in the Sanger area. 21-year-old Jeremy Vaughn has been identified as that suspect. He remains in critical condition tonight at Community Regional Medical Center after being shot by a deputy last week. CBS 47's Patrick Nelson joins us live tonight. Patrick, what can you tell us about the suspect?
Ken, officials say he's in rough shape here at the hospital, but he is expected to survive. I spent the day digging into court documents to find more out about Jeremy Vaughn's criminal history. It turns out he has multiple felony arrests. As for the deputy who shot Vaughn, I'm told he's worked in law enforcement for more than 20 years. On the morning of May 4th, Fresno County Sheriff's deputies responded to this area of Sanger near Minkler. Investigators say 21-year-old Jeremy Vaughn ran from a parole officer. That officer warned deputies Vaughn may have a weapon. After a brief foot chase, Vaughn was shot by a deputy. What led up to the shooting is still under investigation, but crime scene investigators did locate a weapon on the ground at the scene.
After further examination, we determined that it was a pellet gun. It's actually powered by a CO2 cartridge, but obviously, just looking at it, it looks like a real gun.
Criminal defense attorney David Mugridge says a case can be made the unmarked pellet gun posed a threat.
When I hear the word pellet gun, but there's no little red dot at the front of that, how's an officer supposed to know that?
According to court documents, Vaughn was arrested by Fresno police in 2014 for carrying a concealed dagger. Then by Clovis police about a year later near Walmart for a robbery. Court documents say he willfully, unlawfully, and by means of force and fear took personal property from someone.
These are rather significant felony cases in terms of a potential threat to the community.
As investigators try to determine if the officer-involved shooting was justified, legal experts believe Vaughn will soon be locked up.
I would be surprised if he didn't end up doing some time in this case.
And Vaughn is still here in the hospital tonight, but he has been booked into the Fresno County Jail electronically. As for the deputy involved in this officer-involved shooting, he is on paid administrative leave, which is standard for these types of cases. Reporting live in Fresno, outside CRMC, Patrick Nelson, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.